the computational complexity advantage you are speaking. Remember the classic case of the application of Fourier transforms, where we told that instead of doing the convolution in the time domain, it would be easy if at all you take the Fourier transform, then do the multiplication, then do the reverse, right? Because a typical convolution involves, right? Normally in 2G, that was in GSM, they used equalization. Having estimated the channel, they would use they would use an equalizer to get the data x of n back from y of n, right? By doing the task of deconvolution. And that's what a typical equalizer does, which would involve lots of MAC operations. And you can see the complexity of such MAC would be quadratically, right? This O is usually, okay, usually when we are trying to compare the complexity, we compare it with the order, okay, we use this particular term order. And here it indicates that it has got something to do with the number of taps. That means more the number of taps, that means more the values in your impulse response, whatever you have estimated in the channel, right? We also spoke about how the channel impulse response is related to your time delay spread. And instead of doing this in the time domain, if at all you apply the Fourier transform, we know how Fourier transform converts the whole thing in terms of n by 2 log n and n log n, right? The whole relation now will be converted into a logarithmic thing. Whole relation will be converted into logarithmic thing. That is why, be it OFDM or SCFDE, doing the whole thing in the frequency domain is going to have a very less computational complexity compared to what we had in case of 2G or 3G. Okay, this is the second advantage which we are going to have, which both of them, be it OFDM or SCFDE share. Okay, so that was the chapter. Okay, two enabling technologies, OFDM and SCFDE. Okay, in the next topic, we will discuss about their multiple access versions, OFDMA and SCFDMA. So here was the summary. Okay, so OFDM overcomes even the severe intersymbol interference through the use of IFFT and cyclic prefix. OFDM is the core modulation strategy used in LTE and its multiple access. As I told you, that's what we are going to discuss. SCFDE, which is closely related to, is the core modulation strategy used in LTE uplink. And in the next topic, we will also be discussing SCFDMA, its multiple access version, which is also MIMO friendly. Okay, that's it in this particular video.